Here's our average value, or our 1 over b minus a times the integral of f of x dx from a to b. And so all we have to do is replace f of x with what we're told f of x is in this case. Pretty simple. The antiderivative of x cubed will be x to the 4th over 4 from a to b times 1 over b minus a. So we're looking at b to the 4th over 4 minus a to the 4th over 4 all times 1 over b minus a, or b to the 4th minus a to the 4th all over 4 times 1 over b minus a. This looks a lot like e, doesn't it? Because 4 times b minus a, and then b to the 4th minus a to the 4th. We don't need to write the 1. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.